Good morning, everyone. And we are here to introduce you to Cheap IT and our venture to Africa, expansion to Africa. So I will begin with who are we? Who is the company and who are we? So Cheap IT is a company founded a few years ago. Our home office is in Liechtenstein. Initially, we mainly operated in the United States. A few years ago, we expanded to Brazil as well. And we focus mainly on low and mid-range computers, PCs. Cheap IT is vertically integrated. We manufacture chips as well. And we supply them to the public, to the market in the US and Brazil. So Cheap IT, from the personal perspective, we have our CEO, absent today, Yuli, Mark, our CFO, Moran, COO, and myself, Ofer, the VP of Marketing and Business Development. And what I'd like to tell you is that we're working together for a while now, and what is important to know about our team is that we are very consolidated. We work very efficiently together. We know how to work as a team, and we know how to succeed in our goals, to achieve our goals. So regarding our company, from the financial point of view, our current valuation is 150 million Swiss francs. Our current equity is 30 million Swiss francs, with an estimation that within 2.5 years, our equity will enlarge into 70 million Swiss francs. So regarding Africa, what we'd like to tell you are two main issues that are very important regarding how we see Africa. First and foremost, Africa is a huge continent with a very large population. What most people actually think in a false way is that Africa doesn't consume IT that much. But what is important to understand regarding our venture is that Africa is a very fast-growing market in the current years and forthcoming years. Second, there is a very high demand for low grades and affordable PCs. And this is what we excel in. Since the beginning of our company, since the establishment of our company, we've been manufacturing low-end and mid-range computers, which is exactly what African people need nowadays. Our plans for Africa are, since most people have fairly low income, we understand that we will need to sell computers at low prices. That means probably a low marginal profit and selling at high volumes. We offer, again, low and mid-end PCs. We intend to deliver all our chips from the United States to Africa. We intend to hire local marketing experts in order to help us penetrate the market while establishing personal connections with tribe leaders to help us leverage ourselves inside this continent. So, how much do we need? We split it into 3 major milestones. The first step is the major one. We intend to build 2 PC plants in Africa for the initial demand, while we need 3 additional chip plants in the United States. Obviously, we'll need sales offices, and we have additional fixed and variable costs, which are already included in this amount of money. On the next step, we intend to build an additional PC plant, and obviously we'll need another chips plant in the United States for the required amount of chips. And on the last step, again, another PC plant on a different location in Africa, and an additional chips plant, for a total sum of 18 million Swiss francs in these 3 major milestones. But what's important to tell you is what do you get in return. First, we anticipate, and we know to stand behind it, we anticipate sales of 10 million Swiss francs each quarter. We can tell you that investing in our company is a solid, and not only solid, but the most solid investment that you can find between companies that compete. You can look in past results and see that we are a very stable company, always ranked very high, with the lowest risk. We know how to make money, to be the first, while not getting into any risks. We plan to emerge in the African market very quickly, in a very rapid way, in a very strong way, and for that we need 80 million Swiss francs, and we'd like to give a share of 12% from our company for that. Well, Chip IT I already told you, so I'll do it briefly. Currently in the US and Brazil, we are very experienced in penetrating new markets. We did it in Brazil. It was a very successful move. We're vertically integrated, specialized in what the African market needs. We have an excellent management team, very focused. Our forecasts during the quarters were very precise. And we have very responsible financial management. Sum it up, already told you, regarding Brazil and Europe currently. Africa is a great market and a great choice for us. We fit there very precisely. We need 18 million Swiss francs for that. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.